Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure WordPress and the Gutenberg editor are up to date. This enables the container block. Next, choose a block-ready theme or a plugin that adds container features so you have layout controls. Create or open the page where you want the container. Then insert a container block, name or label it for organization, and immediately set basic width and alignment. This gets you into the editor with a live container ready for content. Once the container is present, you configure its layout. Set width or max width, padding, and internal gap to control spacing. Add nested blocks inside, columns for side-by-side content, headings for hierarchy, images and buttons for calls to action, and move blocks as needed. Use background color or image, border radius, and overlay options to separate the section visually. Make sure to toggle responsive settings and preview tablet and mobile. Finish by previewing the page on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Then publish when the container behaves as intended. If layout shifts or styles are missing, inspect computed styles, disable conflicting plugins temporarily, and check your theme's block supports. These steps find overrides. Make a reusable pattern or save the container block to reuse consistent layouts. One key troubleshooting tip: clear server and browser caches after changes, because stale CSS often masks your fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.